Hi, in this video, we will talk about Playwright with Chromium browser. Okay, as part of our previous video, one of the videos that supported browsers by Playwright, we already discussed what are the different browsers supported by Playwright. So one is Chromium. So how we can use this Chromium browser to automate your applications. Okay, so for that, and we can discuss by default, Playwright will execute your scripts in headless mode. So how we can use in headless mode and how you can use headed mode, and we'll see both the options in this. So Playwright is equals to Playwright dot create and then browser type. What is that browser type I'm taking? Chromium. You can give any name. Okay, you can give browser type also. So then Playwright dot Chromium, right? And then browser is equals to browser type dot, you see, launch. Okay, you just launch the and then browser context. And then browser context is equals to browser dot new context. It will open an incognito browser, and that will create a page. So page is equals to new page. Okay. So sorry, we'll create a new page. But not like this. Browser context dot new page. Okay. So then page dot navigate https some URL dev dot automation testing dot in, and I want to see what is happening. So I say system.out.println. You can say page dot title. Okay, it will print the title. All right. So now, if I try to execute, you cannot see any browser. So let me execute and see. You observe it will not open any browser. It will just execute in headless mode, and it will print the title of that particular web page. You see that automation testing demo. This is the title. So this is how you can execute your scripts on Chromium browser. But I want to see the browser. So for that, in the launch, you have browser launch options. Okay, new browser type dot launch options dot set headless. Set headless, you just mention false. Okay, so you set false means headless is false. So if you try to execute now, the script will be very quick, but you can see that it will open the browser and it closes. Just observe, you see that browser open, navigating to that particular URL and closes, and it prints the automation testing demo title. But if you make it set headless true, okay, set headless true, and if you try to execute again, so it will execute in headless mode. We set headless true. So now you cannot see the browser. So let's wait for the execution completion. So it executed. You see that automation testing demo. So if you want to execute in headless mode, we don't need to give this explicitly. Okay, then remove. If you don't give anything like that, then it automatically headless mode. But if you want to use in headed mode, then you need to mention false. Okay, if you put true, automatically it will go back to the headless mode and it will execute in the background. But if you put false, it will execute and you can see the browser. Okay, this is how you can use Chromium browser with Playwright. What is that option? Playwright.chromium. You just need to mention Playwright.chromium. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share the video, and put your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel for interesting updates. Thank you.